When you're shopping for replacement windows, there's almost an entire new language you need to learn just to try and figure out what you want. In this video, we're going to break down the most popular window types to make it easier for you to shop for your new replacement windows. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent more time searching for window type definitions than actually shopping for windows. Well, today we are going to help you out as we're going to show you examples and definitions of the most popular window types. So let's jump right into it with one window type you are sure to see a lot of: single hung and double hung windows. Single hung and double hung windows are the most popular of the window types out there. The name simply refers to the number of operable sashes the window contains. The sash is the part of the window that opens and closes. A single hung window has a sash that simply raises up and down from the bottom up past a fixed top window. A double hung functions the same way, but the top sash also moves up and down. Picture window. A picture window is a fixed window that can't be opened. They are usually large windows with no breaks or dividers, resulting in a picturesque view to the outside. Sliding window. Sliding windows typically have two sections where one section will slide horizontally over the other. Casement window. Casement windows swing out to the side, and like picture windows, are usually made of solid glass to create an unobstructed view while still being functional. A double casement would function the same, but both sides would swing open. Awning window. Awning windows swing open vertically, creating an awning when opened. So those are the 7 most popular window types you might run into while shopping for replacement windows. But there's so much more out there, so make sure you stick around and subscribe to the channel so you can become a replacement window expert. We want to thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. Take it easy. If you want more Home Solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.